1. If you stretched out all the blood vessels in the human body, they would extend over 100,000 kilometers. 2. Some spiders can walk on water. 3. In the deep ocean, a constant shower of dead organic matter called marine snow is always falling. 4. Some octopuses can detach one of their arms to escape predators. 5. Earth collects about 100 tons of space dust every day. 6. Some fungi can turn insects into zombies by controlling their behavior. 7. Antarctica has lakes that have been hidden beneath the ice for millions of years. 8. Sharks are older than dinosaurs. 9. Some whales can hear each other's calls from thousands of kilometers away. 10. A large thunderstorm can release energy equivalent to several nuclear bombs. 11. Polar bears have black skin beneath their white fur. 12. A chameleon's tongue can be longer than its entire body. 13. Pythons can swallow prey larger than their own heads. 14. Some fish can change their sex during their lifetime. 15. Ants can carry several times their own body weight. 16. The world's largest flower smells like rotting flesh. 17. Some trees communicate with each other through their roots. 18. If you stretched out all the DNA in your body, it would span billions of kilometers. 19. The human body emits a faint glow that is invisible to the naked eye. 20. Your stomach replaces its inner lining every few days to prevent digesting itself. 21. The venom of some cone snails can kill a human within minutes. 22. Starfish have no brain. 23. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. 24. Some sharks can reproduce without a male. 25. An ostrich's eye is larger than its brain. 26. Sunsets on Mars appear blue. 27. If you cry in space, your tears stick to your face instead of falling. 28. It may rain diamonds on Jupiter. 29. One day on Mercury lasts about 176 Earth days. 30. Black holes trap even light. 31. Your brain can solve problems while you sleep. 32. No two people have the exact same tongue print. 33. A sneeze can travel at speeds of over 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour. 34. Human bones are stronger than concrete for their weight. 35. Babies do not produce real tears during their first few months. 36. The first living creatures sent into space were fruit flies, not a dog. 37. The tallest waterfall in the world is actually underwater. 38. The Sahara Desert sends millions of tons of dust to the Amazon rainforest every year. 39. About 6,000 lightning strikes occur around the world every minute. 40. Earth is the only known planet where fire naturally burns. 41. Some birds can remember human faces for years. 42. Crows play games just for fun. 43. Dolphins can recognize themselves in a mirror. 44. Some frogs are poisonous but immune to their own toxins. 45. The largest living organism on Earth is a giant fungus covering several square kilometers. 46. Some deep-sea creatures produce their own light. 47. About 95% of Earth's oceans remain unexplored. 48. If all the water vapor in Earth's atmosphere fell as rain at once, it would cover the planet by about 2.5 centimeters. 49. A single lightning bolt contains enough energy to power thousands of homes for a short time. 50. If you could fold a piece of paper just 42 times, its thickness would exceed the distance from Earth to the Moon. 51. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopus. 52. Honey is the only food that almost never spoils. Honeypot. 53. Some sharks fight each other inside their mother's womb before they are even born. 54. Giraffes sleep only about 30 minutes to 2 hours a day. 55. Botanically speaking, bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Banana. 56. Koalas' fingerprints are so similar to humans that they can even confuse forensic investigators. 57. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. 58. On Venus, a single day is longer than an entire year. 59. If you could travel at the speed of light, you could circle Earth more than 7 times in 1 second. 60. There is no sound in space. 61. A blue whale's heart is about the size of a small car. Whale. 62. Many penguins choose one mate for life. 63. Some turtles can survive for months without food. 64. Crocodiles cannot stick out their tongues. 65. Ants do not have lungs. 66. Flamingos are born gray and turn pink as they grow. 67. Dolphins have unique names for one another. 68. Some snails can sleep for up to 3 years. 69. Horseshoe crabs have blue blood. 70. Some frogs freeze during winter and come back to life when they thaw. 71. The tallest mountain in the solar system is on Mars. 72. Footprints on the moon can remain there for millions of years. 73. Jupiter has more than 95 known moons. 74. If there were an ocean large enough, Saturn would float on it. 75. 1 year on Neptune is about 165 Earth years. 76. The first email was sent in 1971. 77. The world's first website is still online. 78. Billions of emails are sent around the world every day. 79. The first cameras required several hours of exposure to capture a single photo. 80. Cracking the Enigma machine played a major role in ending World War II. 81. The average person spends about 25 years of their life sleeping. 82. The human brain remains highly active even while you sleep. 83. Your skin completely renews itself about once every month. 84. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the exact same time. 85. The femur, thigh bone, is the strongest bone in the human body. 86. Smiling uses fewer muscles than frowning. 87. More than half of Earth's oxygen is produced by tiny organisms in the ocean. 88. Antarctica is the world's largest desert because it receives so little rainfall. 89. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. 90. Thousands of new animal and plant species are discovered every year. 91. Japan grows square watermelons. 92. The world's oldest continuously operating company is over 1,400 years old. 93. Chess was invented more than 1,500 years ago. 94. Some trees alive today were already growing when the Egyptian pyramids were built. 95. The first vending machine in ancient Rome dispensed holy water. 96. Most natural diamonds are billions of years old. 97. Lightning is about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. 98. The sun is actually white. It only appears yellow when viewed from Earth. 99. The smell of rain on dry soil has a scientific name, petrichor. 100. If you thoroughly shuffle a deck of cards, the exact order has almost certainly never existed before in history.